Son las 29 de noviembre y es la semana 12. So I'm going to go over just a few things that I want to make sure you know about week 12. Week 12 has, you should be doing all of the lessons within Rosetta Stone. And there's a what do you want to be when you grow up, where you need to write a few sentences actually and turn them into me and use the future tense. I'm going to do a conference that will help you to do that. If you need help doing it, I set up a conference. So it is up here where you see conference. You can click on that. And on Thursday, December 1st, at 4 o'clock, I'll have a conference and I'll start it then. I will record it, so if you can't come to it at that time, you'll find a recording under concluded conferences that will be recorded, okay? All right, so I'm going to go back to modules, and then you can see that in week 12, those are your assignments in here. Now I want to look just a little bit at what you should be doing within Rosetta Stone, and I'm going to bring across a report. So these reports you can get when you first launch, when you go access Rosetta Stone. Instead of doing launch Rosetta Stone, you can say my reports and you can get them. This is a Spanish level 2 report. If I click down here, it would also, I could change it to level 1 or level 2. This person already started, they did all of level 1, the core lessons. And so this is a Spanish 2 class, all of level 1 and the first two units of level 2, you're doing core lessons only, because that all is a review. But once you get to the 7th unit, which is in level 2, it's the 3rd unit of level 2, okay? So level 2, unit 3, and in some places on Rosetta Stone, they'll name it unit 7 because it's the 7th in the series, okay? At that point, you need to start doing all of this here. So it's okay before that to have this blank and have just your core lessons completed. That's what I expect you to get done so that you can review. But once you're to Unit 3, I expect you to have all of these done. Okay? And then from now on in the course, you're going to be doing all of these. So this person is done through Unit 3 and just has begun Unit 4. And let's look and see where you're supposed to be for week 12. Okay, so for week 12, you're supposed to finish Unit 4, Lesson 3. So this person is working in like week 11 right now, doing Lesson 1 and 2 in Unit 4. A little tiny bit behind on Rosetta Stone, but doing excellent work, okay? And that's great. And that's where you're supposed to be, okay? So if you have any questions about that, if you want some help with something else on Thursday, bring your questions with you, and have a good week. Okay. Hablamos más tarde.